So this is kind of what I'm going to show you today. These are sketches that I did, again, from images that I got on Pixabay and Unsplash.com. And I took different parts of different images. Show you here. What I do is I take the image on my computer and I rotate it, I flip it horizontally. So I have a wide array of angles of the same subject. So I can take, for instance, this sketch was done from using this picture, but putting the flowers inside the picture. I added the window behind it in some different colors. I know that this flower was this flower. So I didn't use all the flowers from this arrangement for this sketch. I pick and choose what I want. This flower here is this flower, but I've totally changed it into something else. What I was talking about before was the arrangement that I put into that vase, and I took those flowers from this reference that I got on Unsplash. And then this arrangement was done sort of with this type of a vase. See all the flowers here that are laying on the table. I got that from these here, and the flowers that are in the arrangement came from different areas of my reference. So with these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 reference photos, I flipped them, and now I have 14 different views of these flowers, and I can put them into different arrangements. I can change the colors around, I can change the positions. The sky's the limit, and this sort of exercises your imagination as well. So you don't need to slavishly copy just because this arrangement is not in the picture. I wanted to put it in the picture. So, you know, this flower is this other one that I showed you on the other page, but it's been flipped. So I have these reference sheets as a PDF printout for you, and I'd like to see, you know, what you come up with.